Morning. Quick show of hands. Who here has felt under-resourced in trying to accomplish what you're trying to do at work? Probably everybody. Yeah, that's right. So take, for example, the FPPC. That's California's Fair Political Practice Commission. They're a great organization that is for government accountability, and so they put scanned images of economic interest statements online. And that's transparency, right? That's great. But as they know, and Jen Polka likes to say, transparency is not enough. You can't map a PDF. You can't query a PDF. What you really want is structured data. But they can't afford structured data because manual data entry is extremely expensive. But now there's a solution. Captricity is a data digitization service for low-resource organizations. And I say that because Captricity was born in this Ugandan clinic, and its core technology was my PhD dissertation, where we use machine learning, crowdsourcing, and computer vision blended together to quickly and accurately extract data from these forms. We built Captricity to help you extract that data. So let's see how FPPC might use it. So our user is named Anne. She has about 100,000 paper forms for this year, a modest amount. When she logs into the site, which I encourage you all to do, it's free, she can create templates. She has 7, one for each form that they use. Step number 1, she selects the template. And step number 2, she uploads from her computer, or she pulls data in from a cloud storage system. That's it. That's all she has to do to digitize that information. But you know what's actually better than Anne uploading that data is if she could get her public officials, her constituents, to upload the data themselves. And now they can. With the Captricity mobile app, they get it from the App Store, they snap photos of forms, and that gets sent in right away. When you push the process out to your end users, your access to information gets easier and faster. So speaking of speed, let's talk about some numbers. 100,000 forms would take one person 3 to 5 years to type in themselves. If you have budget for a team, probably 10 people, it would still be months. With Captricity, you get it back in 72 hours, even if you waited until December 28th. Of course, if you have a 100-page survey, that comes back in 30 minutes. So when Anne gets her results, this is what it looks like. It's a spreadsheet. But it's not a normal spreadsheet. Every single value is very highly accurate, but we make it very easy for you to check those values. You can edit those values right there on the spot. And of course, you can always look at the original form. You can export to CSV for running reports. And of course, and most importantly, you can push that data directly into your backend system with the Captricity API. It's very easy to build data feeds that take paper forms in automatically and pushes it out automatically on demand. So I've been talking a lot about the FPPC because we have a very exciting announcement. You might guess it, but for the first time, the FPPC is going to put structured data online. We're very happy to announce that 2011 judges' public filings of economic interest are now available at the Captricity Open Data Gallery. You can go to it at that URL at the top there. So if you have open data sets that you like to publish, we can do that for you about as easily as doing a blog post. Of course, Captricity isn't just for publishing. You don't have to publish your data. We're for workflow processing. We're for your backlogs. We're for your archives. If any of these use cases ring a bell, then let us know, because we've done them before. When I think back to all the lessons that I learned in Uganda, the one that sticks with me the most is that there's just a tremendous amount of valuable information that's trapped in paper forms. I think that it's the new digital divide, and I think it's something that we all share. Captricity helps bridge that digital divide, and I hope that we can help you. Thank you.